Hey guys, it's me, Sujoy over here. So today I would like to talk about how to start an automated online business from home. I just came across this amazing course, which I've been personally using for a few months now. So this is the landing page. So you can see that this course is 100% free to enroll and how you can launch this number one beginner friendly fully automated online business from home. You don't need to have any technical skills, you don't need to have any social media followings, you don't need to have any physical products, or you don't need to have any technical experience or no experience whatsoever. So this course is specifically beginner friendly. So if you have never started an online business before, this is the perfect course for you. Um, just to let you know that the mentor of this course, his name is Jonathan Montoya. He's a seven-figure internet entrepreneur, and he's been helping over thousands of people to start making money online passively. And he will teach you exactly how you can leave your 9 to 5 job. So who's this course for? Okay, so this course is specifically designed that if you like to leave your 9 to 5 job, you're not happy with your job, you want to leave it, you want to create a monthly passive income, where you can make residual money every month consistently, build a life of complete time, location, financial freedom. And also, if you want to create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which will allow you to have complete freedom to do what you would like and when you want to do it. Okay, so I highly recommend you check out this course. It's free to join. All you need to do is you just need to click over here. You need to put in your details, your name, your email, and if you like, you can put your phone number. That's completely optional, and then you can get instant access. So I already have access to this course, but I want you guys to take action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a link down in the description below for you to enroll for this course. It's 100% free course. So just put in your details. So the link is going to be down in the description below. Make sure to take action. If you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Peace out.